think we should count split water?
I started it.
Should we count split water?
But y'all like the water song? Let me
That's
feel it.
perfect.
I ain't curse. I ain't curse.
What is it gonna say?
Waiting on you. It's your channel. I'm just here for support.
That is kind of cute, huh?
You know, future game better than I ain't know it.
Hi you guys, it's Brianna Renee and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be dyeing my boyfriend's dreads. Ooh,
That's me.
should be interesting, right?
Chill. Yep.
Are you nervous?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, let's get to it, y'all.
Facts. I'm SG the GOAT. You know the future game better game.
I'll fuck shit up so you can get started.
Talk to him, baby.
So,
What that is?
this is the lightning bleach. I'm just going off the directions you guys. And it's telling me to dump this in here.
Think you need some scissors?
If I can get this open. Yes, I might need some scissors. There it is.
Yeah, put the thumb in him.
Alright. Right now, all I'm doing is just gonna apply some Vaseline to his hairline.
Lube.
Because we definitely don't want blue skin.
Damn, bro, about a box.
Stop cursing.
Oh, yeah. I'm proper.
Now you wanna make sure you apply it to the ears too.
Please do. I don't want that stuff to be stuck on my ear. Like I be seeing people.
You do not mind him, y'all. Alright. That's the nape of the neck too. Y'all, it literally took so much time to go through and saturate each one of his dreads with the bleach. I had to edit so much of this part out, like, it took forever. But that's all you see right now is me just going through and applying the bleach to his hair, trying to get it in as much as possible because I really wanted him to have a bright color so that the blue could sit on top of it, a bright blonde. I also went through and applied some aluminum foil. I just made 2 big sections on each side and I wrapped aluminum foil all the way down, just in an attempt to get the product to soak in as much as it could into his dreads, so that that next layer under the freshly twisted layer would kind of give off the same effect. I don't know if it really helped or not, but the 2 bottles weren't even enough really because he still had a lot of hair that was black, like in his roots and throughout the dreads. It didn't go through as much as I wanted it to. So we had a few technical difficulties. We needed more more bleach. And now we're gonna go to the store to get a brush for the dye. Yep, multitasking.
Back at it.
So, this is his hair bleached.
Man, it's crazy.
We're gonna go through and apply some more Vaseline.
Next round. I'm winning, though. Still cute. You know that.
It's the same brand, we just got a box. The box came with the bleach and the dye. So it's by Splat. And it's the Blue Envy. I pour it back in our container. And all I'm going to do is just go through. And I'm going to start from the bottom since his roots are more blonde than the rest of his hair. So we're just going to start from the bottom and work our way up. And then we'll let it stick.
Gang.
Alright, so this is his hair dye.
Blue hunchos.
Now I'm just about to go through and moisturize, retwist, and style it. If y'all want to see that, comment below and I'll make a separate video. But this video is strictly for dyeing purposes. We'll be back.
Peace. That's bees.